What's up guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful, much interesting video here on the channel. This one is from Davido Obio himself. We all know this is your multi-million dollar endorsement deal with Puma some years back, and ever since then it's been a beautiful renewal and all of that, you know, marketing strategies and all of that stuff involved. Anyway, he was at the Puma Lekki Shop for some campaign, which yes is always good. Once in a while, you know, just collect money waka now. Once in a while you have to campaign, you know, you have to do the marketing as usual for them. And he dropped this very remarkable and amazing speech for those of you who are good in business, the marketing business. I think this will be very, very helpful. And the wonderful and amazing Puma designs in the shop are actually luxurious. I think if you can afford them, try get some for yourself. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, come out here, check it out. You know, they restock almost every week. New designs, all sizes, female, male. Make sure you come out and check it out. Puma shop right there. So what up, man? It's your boy Davido here at the Puma store shop right Lekki. New collection on that. Best money shop myself. I traveled somewhere and I saw this.